This is the Chausson 777 GA Titanium Premium. It claims to be a bestseller, at least that's what the sign is up there. This thing here will cost £70,500. It is 719 centimeters long if on the Ford, and should you opt for a Fiat Ducato, it would be 3 centimeters shorter. It comes with an enormous table here around the seating group. It's also quite a light table, and the table will, at least the tabletop, will move around. Kitchen has 2 burners and a sink. It has also drawers under it. At the back we have a German layout, and with this bit here which will go in the middle to make it bigger, and there is a board which goes in the middle. It's broken, I can tell it's broken, and that's the second one in 3 vans that is broken, so be warned. There you have a wardrobe, and here you have another wardrobe. You've got your heating here, so you don't have to get too far out of bed to turn on the heating. Under here there's a bit of storage. You've got access to your gas. Here is the toilet, and shower is on the other side. The door will close here like that, and I see this is, oh no, yeah, something's missing there, something, and large shower. Automatic gearbox. Of course you get a choice of gearboxes if you buy it new. I tell people not to buy anything new, because if you buy it used you'll get it now. If you buy it, you want a new one, as things stand at present, you may be lucky to get it by next summer. There you are, 2 enormous garage, more storage on the outside, and electrical hookup there. And right, so that's that van done in under 3 minutes, which is my new idea. If you think this is a good idea to do things under 3 minutes, then write down below. But if you want to go back to the original longer versions, I can do that. But I'm trying to do under 3 minutes to meet with COVID restrictions here when people are not in the vans. Having said that, there's not many people here today, so perhaps I could have gone on a bit longer. Okay, thanks so much for watching. All the best from Düsseldorf.